is the new dad. 2 weeks ago, him and his girl, Brittany, brought in their little baby into the world. That is Jeff Wakeman. Outside of Jeff Wakeman, the 86, that is Steve Vaughn. Inside row 3, 84 of Jake Van Oske. Outside of Jake in the 40, that is Tom Guiley. All by himself in the 61, that's Fearless Frank. We're speeding up. Here they come, Green flag, and we're racing! And it's Stafford and Thomason side by side. Not anymore. Stafford's pulling away. Thomason's letting him know, don't cut me in so close.
As he goes on the low side, this one has far yet to be over yet. As Stafford out front, Thomason in second, Vaughn in third, and the battle is for fourth between Wakeman and Van Oske in the 84-91.
Wakeman not having a whole lot of time to work on his car as he's doing double duty with being a dad. You all know those sleepless nights we've had, ladies and gentlemen, as Jeff Wakeman has now dropped back to 6th place, battling Fearless Frank for that last spot. Whoa! Steve Vaughn decides to make his mark on the Rockford Speedway infield in the grass as the yellow flag will come out.
That'll be our first raw steel restart zone in turns 3 and 4. First caution. Sponsor for all our cautions.
Jerry's CB Shop B103 cars. We're going back to single file racing as Jerry Stafford II is going to bring them around. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it'll be Jerry Stafford II staying out front in that 7 machine as he got a little squirrely. And here comes the 84 of Jake Van Oske working his way high-low as those two are going to get into some trouble in the turns 3 and 4. As Beldowski tried to go around, Wakeman in the grass, Thomason in the grass. Oh, boy.
That's never good. Looked like a good challenge. Van Oske on the inside of Stafford, and, well, it didn't work out for Van Oske, and it didn't work out for Stafford. And as a matter of fact, it didn't work out for anybody. I think Tom Guiley might be happy because he's going to be sitting in first place. What his record is on hitting the pace car, but it definitely looked like he may have hit him right there.
There's probably some love between that pace car driver, as there might be a little yellow paint on the front of that Tom Guiley
machine.
machine.
We're going to go back to single file racing this time. Fearless Frank in second place. He wants to do something. Tom Guiley's bringing him around. Green flag this time around. Green flag, and we're racing. And it looked like we had them checked up there. Stafford and Van Oske and Vaughn almost ran into the back of each other. Here we go. 2 laps into this race, 3 coming around this time around. As it's going to be Guiley, Beldowski, Wakeman, Thomason, Vaughn, Van Oske, and Stafford II. Van Oske looking to the inside of Steve Vaughn. Hang on to it this time, Jake. Looking to be a little slick on that inside tonight as Jake hangs on to it this time. And he grabs the 5th position here in this late model heat race. Stafford II, a little bit loose on the inside, trying to make his move on Steve Vaughn. As Stafford's really off the pace, Stafford will go into the pits with that 7 machine. So 5 down, 3 to go in this late model heat race. Excuse me, we've got 10 laps in this race. We are halfway through. Now a little bit past the halfway mark this time by for Tom Guiley. Coming around, Tom Guiley starting to pull ahead from Fearless Frank. Jeff Wakeman hanging on to 3rd. Dave Thomason, the rookie, in 4th. Van Oske 5th. And Steve Vaughn in 6th. Two to go this time around for Tom Guiley. Tom Guiley got that Joe Shear looking throwback color. Joe Shear used to have a car like that. Number 36, though, that is the 40 car for the Winnebago native of Tom Guiley. Coming around, white flag this time around for Tom. He could get the win. We're going to find out this next time around as the battle in the back may continue between Thomason and Vaughn. Thomason pulling away, checkered flag out. It's going to be Tom Guiley, followed by Fearless Frank, Jeff Wakeman, Jake Van Oske, Dave Thomason, and Steve Vaughn rounding out the cars that are left on the track with Jerry Stafford in the 7 car after the incident between him and the 84. Jerry Stafford maybe wanted to make sure the car is going to be okay for feature time as he pulled it off.
That is the 2nd heat win for the 40 machine. He's out of Winnebago, Illinois. Lonnie Held Plumbing, BG Oils, GG's Playhouse, Thierry's Race Engines, all prime sponsors for the 40 machine.
Eric, that's kind of interesting. He's parked the car to his back to us instead of the side. I don't think I've ever seen a car do that, parking it that way. I don't know.
I don't know. It still looks pretty, though, in victory lane. Let's give it up for the number 40 of Tom Guiley.
As Tom Guiley will pull it out in the pits, and he will be back out for the feature later on this evening. The